Again, when I say 1 million, it's a combination of a stamp of a foot, a clap, and a woo. Alright? Let's try it together. In unison. 1 million! 2 million! 3 million! And millions of welcome! Our Mr. Excitement! Our Chief Marketing Officer, Sir John!
Thank you. Good morning! Okay, sit down. Thank you, guys. Are you excited I'm here? Yes! Are you sure? Yes! For what? Oh, I forgot. My PowerPoint. Can somebody get my bag? I forgot my PowerPoint. I have something to present to you. Alright, anyway, do we have first timers here? May I see the hands of first timers? First time? Are you sure? No, first time as in first time in 8 Global. First time in 8 Global.